Santa Clara County is launching a program they hope will help slow the spread of the coronavirus, providing housing for people who are in need of quarantine or isolation. Good evening, I'm Elizabeth Cook.
And I'm Ken Bastida. In for Alan tonight, KPIX 5 reporter Devin Fehely has more on the housing being provided for the homeless.
If you're living in a homeless encampment or even in a crowded house, social distancing, isolation, and quarantine become virtual impossibilities, luxuries that you simply can't afford. And that's why the county is stepping in.
Everybody's so close together, everybody interacts. It's really hard to tell if somebody's either sick with the common cold or the COVID.
Gabriel Cobian says it would be tough to prevent the coronavirus from spreading like wildfire through this sprawling makeshift encampment on the edges of downtown San Jose, where he fears that one infection would quickly become many.
Trying to practice the social distancing and, being clean and stuff like that, it's real hard.
Santa Clara County is investing more than $13 million to ramp up a program to house people who have either tested positive for the virus or have been exposed to someone who has, and whose living conditions make it difficult for them to quarantine effectively.
The point of having the isolation and quarantine services available is particularly to address homes that are overcrowded, because what we want to make sure is that we stop and break the transmission as quickly as possible.
Since the start of the outbreak, the county has provided housing, temporary stays in hotels and motels for about 500 people while they quarantined. They're now making that a routine part of their contact tracing program, an assessment of a patient's living situation to see if quarantine housing might be needed.
And my short answer is it's overdue. Again, make it a priority. I don't know why the unhoused aren't a priority in this pandemic. They should be, and it just makes sense to me.
For Gabriel, it's better late than never, and he takes some comfort in knowing that if he gets sick, he can still protect the people around him.
It's really taking a toll on the homeless community.
The county hopes by expanding this program that they will improve their contact tracing and their efforts to contain the spread of the virus. In San Jose, Devin Fehely, KPIX 5.